Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. There are two primary options for the Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door Coupe's appearance: possible electric replacement based on the most recent information, May 2025. Rumors of an electric replacement. There are compelling signs that an electric performance model based on the AMG will take the place of the present AMG GT 4-door Coupe variant X290. A platform. Motivated by the Vision AMG Idea, the electric replacement's appearance would probably draw inspiration from the Vision AMG concept, which was previously revealed and has an aerodynamic fastback profile. Features of EV design: it will probably have a closed grille or a grille-like design, futuristic LED headlamps with Mercedes-Benz-specific features, and efficiency-optimized aerodynamics. Elegant silhouette, broad, low-body form with a roofline that slopes. Rims of aerodynamics, reduced air resistance with improved rim design. Special lighting information: potential front and rear horizontal light strips, similar to those found on a number of other Mercedes-Benz EV cars. With easily accessible controls and excellent visibility, the center console and dashboard design will probably continue to be driver-focused. One distinguishing feature will be the use of premium materials, such as premium Nappa leather for the dashboard, door panels, and seats, opulently finished wood, metal, or carbon fiber trim. Dynamic microfiber for places like the steering wheel that need more traction. Sports seats are made to be comfortable on lengthy trips while offering the most support possible when driving aggressively. Perhaps with memory and electrical correction. A sporty steering wheel made of high-quality materials, and touch control buttons for infotainment and other vehicle features. With shift paddles made of metal, perhaps. With a sizable touchscreen built into the digital instrument panel, the MBUX infotainment system will serve as the control center. Features like the improved Hey Mercedes voice assistant, augmented reality navigation, and user profile customization will be kept or even improved. AMG-specific driving modes and a range of vehicle information displays are available on the digital instrument panel. The AMG GT 4-door Coupe may be indirectly replaced by an all-electric vehicle that Mercedes-AMG is reportedly developing. It is anticipated that the high-performance electric vehicle would make use of an axial flux electric motor created by YASA, a Mercedes-Benz subsidiary, and a specific AMG A platform. There are reports of a very high power potential, even surpassing 750 kilowatts, about 1,000 horsepower for the top model, even if specifics have not been disclosed. It will probably make use of many electric motors in an all-wheel drive system. It is anticipated that the electric variant will be unveiled in 2025 and will probably be offered in 2026.